If you're hearing about Thoughtly for the first time, this video is for you. Let's start with the simple version. Thoughtly is an AI voice agent platform that makes it easy to build, deploy, and scale AI voice agents for real business use cases. Not demos, not science projects, real agents that make real calls, have real conversations, and drive outcomes. So what makes Thoughtly different is the focus. Now, although we handle inbound calls extremely well, like answering calls, routing, qualification, and support, we truly specialize in the outbound use case. That means sales calls, follow-ups, speed to lead, qualification, appointment setting, customer outreach at scale. Outbound is hard to do well, and that's exactly why we built Thoughtly around it. This isn't just theory. We've worked with massive enterprises with high volume, fast growing companies that need reliability, scale, and control. So everything we built inside of Thoughtly is designated to hold up at an enterprise volume while still being easy enough for smaller teams to use. Inside Thoughtly, you can build AI voice agents without needing to be technical. You define the conversation, you set the logic, you control the cadence, and the agent handles the calls. One of the most important pieces is how Thoughtly integrates into your CRM. Lead comes in. That triggers an outbound call automatically. Call outcome gets logged. Transcript gets stored. Data flows back in real time. So your sales reps aren't guessing. They're stepping into the conversation with full context. Thoughtly isn't just making calls. It's about building a system where no lead slips through the cracks, a system where follow-ups happen on your time, a system where your best reps focus on closing, not dialing. We work across a bunch of industries: real estate, insurance, education, healthcare, mortgage, and everyone is trying to get the exact same thing: more conversions, less manual work, no added headcount. That's exactly what AI voice agents unlock. And we've intentionally made Thoughtly one of the most intuitive AI voice agent platforms that exist today. If you could think through a conversation, you could build it inside of Thoughtly. No code, no complexity, just logic, flow, and outcomes. If you're interested in learning how to actually build inside of Thoughtly, I've linked our full tutorial library underneath this video. You can go watch step-by-step walkthroughs and see exactly how to build AI voice agents inside of our platform. If calling matters to your business, we would love to see you inside of Thoughtly, and we would love to optimize your business as best as we can. So with that, I'll see you inside of the agent tutorial videos, or I'll see you inside of Thoughtly.